Now we have min function with us. As the name is suggesting, min function finds the minimum or the smallest value from a column or two scalar values. So scalar values means, or the scalar expression means, we have two expressions which returns a scalar value, and between two scalar values we can have one smallest value as a result. So the syntax is min, and as a parameter we have column, or inside min function we can have two parameters as the expressions, right? So the column is the column in which we want to find the smallest value, and the expression which returns a single value, it returns the smallest value as the result. Now if I go to my Power BI desktop, very simple. If I go to my table, so we have sales amount, quantity, discount, and profit. So let's say I have sales amount and profit, and I want to calculate how much minimum sales amount I did the sale for, and how much sales amount I have received for the minimum. Now if I go to my view, here I have dedicated table for my calculations. I have already attached the playlist for I have already attached the video for this dedicated table for all the calculations. You can have a look, or else you can directly create a measure inside your main table. Now if I go to my new measure, here let me give it the name as min and sales. So here I have min function. Once I write min here, it will show the syntax and the definition, and it ignores logical values. That means it does not include true or false values. So inside min, let's say sales, we have sales amount, and if I press enter here, it will be committed, and inside a card I can show the min value, that is 0.44, right? We can verify inside our orders table. We have 0.444. So precision is here as the true value, that's why it is showing 0.44. We can just click on this measure here, and we can just increase the total number of decimal values from here to 3. It will show you the result. Now you can just copy the formatting from one uh, card to another card, correct? Now if I talk about scalar values, that example we can also cover. So we can provide two scalar values only. So let me call it min and scalar. Here minimum value and scalar value, scalar one, let's say 20 and 30, or we can have expression over here. So as of now I have given two numeric values, and if I just show you the result as the card, it will result me 20. So if I show the expression 20 and 30, which one is smaller? 20 is smaller, so it is giving the output. So this is how we used to demonstrate the minimum min function. So as I show you in the in the definition over here, the min function ignores the logical values, that is which results in uh, boolean functions, boolean expressions, true or false.